Albania. Say hello. I saw him biking, and he saw me cleaning, and he said, I said, join me, and he's joining. Arigato. Which means thank you, Japanese, right?
Yes, right. You're very smart.
I
So
tried.
together, Mina and I cleaned up lots of plastic from Lake Ohrid shore.
No, very soon.
It was really devastating to see how much plastic there is left, but I'm happy that a guy like Mina, while he was cycling on his way to Tirana, he pulled over and helped me out. I'm so happy he did this. It made me feel better. Thank you, Mina, again.
What's your name and where are you from?
I'm Minekazu. My friend called me Mine. I'm from Japan.
What are you doing here?
I'm traveling by bicycle for Europe. Yeah.
Where do you start and where do you finish?
I started from Athens of Greece, and my destination is Germany, Berlin of Germany. Yeah, total maybe 3,000 kilometers. Yeah.
So what do you think of Albania so far?
Albania is scenery is very nice, but sometimes there are some garbage, and so have to clean. Yeah, it's a better. Yeah, but mountain and the lake is very beautiful. I like.
Great. Can you show me your bike?
Yes, of course. I have one bottle and inside 2 bottle, and so maybe I have 1.5 liter, so almost 5 liter I have
5 liter water.
water. Yeah.
Okay.
And then so inside clothes and
Clothes, yeah.
clothes and camp tool, yeah, and tents and sleeping bag, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and this is my friend.
Who's this?
On. So On. My friend name is On, and he has Japanese flag. Yeah.
You brought this from Japan?
Yes.
What does on mean? Is there
On.
specific meaning?
No meaning, just
On. In English means on. You're on.
Yes.
Good.
It's better. It's easy to.
And the other bag?
Yeah. And yeah, this I only have a PC, passport, a laptop and water is this bag, and clothes and tent. It's my
2 tents?
Yeah, no, 1 tent and 1 sleeping bag, and yeah.
So can you explain how is your day to day? From the morning till the night? What do you do? And what time you wake up and what time you go to sleep?
Yeah, every day. So I wake up at 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock, and then so I start from bicycling at after 30 minutes, and so almost I'm cycling for 8 hours or 10 hours.
From 8 to 10 hours you cycle?
Yes.
Wow.
So almost so I finish cycling at 7 p.m. around 7 p.m. Yeah, every day cycling, every day just pedaling. But it's very fun for me. So I can see the beautiful sea, and I can meet many people, and people is very kind, so I very funny. Yeah.
Great. What about food? What do you do with food?
Every day. Sometimes I go to restaurant and eat pizza.
Okay.
And Coke.
And Coke.
Yeah, yes, Coke is better.
That's fine.
Yes, and sometimes I cook, but instant noodle, ramen.
Instant noodles, ramen. Yeah,
Yeah.
delicious.
Yes, I love
Yeah.
ramen.
Yeah.
So sometimes I cook, but very easy.
How do you cook it? You have the
I have a
little gas tank?
gas tank. Yes,
Yeah.
I have. So sometimes I cook by my gas tank. Yeah.
Oh, okay. And where do you sleep?
sometimes I stay campsite. So I have a camp tour, tent, and sleeping bag. So sometimes I stay campsite, but mostly I stay hotel or hostel.
What do you do back in Japan?
I'm a teacher, so I teach mathematics in high school.
Oh,
Yeah.
you're a teacher. Great.
Yes. So now summer vacation.
And summer vacation.
Yes, 1 month.
Great.
It's so heavy.
Oh my God. It's heavy. It's really heavy.
Yeah, so it's very hard to climb the mountain. Yeah. こんにちは。自分の名前はミネです。今、自転車で、アルバニアを、旅行してます。ギリシャからスタート、アテネからスタートして、ドイツのベルリンまで、旅してます。ちょっと山がすごい多くて、かなり自転車では厳しいんですけど、すごく、旅行としてはもう人もいいし景色もいいので、すごいおすすめをしてます。みんなぜひまた、もし機会があったらぜひ自転車の旅をしてください。車でもいいと思います。じゃあありがとうございます。Yeah, finish.
I have no idea what he said, but it sounded beautiful.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Arigato.
ありがとう。
And thanks for helping with the cleaning.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Thank you. Albania
lovely.
appreciates you.
Yes.
Thank you. Albania
Thank you.
appreciates you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Mirapavshim! That is something I've never done, and I long to do something, at least for 1 day trip. Cycling from one place to another. Thank you.